What is good, Cardano fam, ADA gang? We have lots of exciting updates to unpack today, so hit that subscribe, hit that like. Cardano ADA 24-hour trade volume surpasses $1.1 billion according to CoinGecko. CoinMarketCap ranks Cardano as the second most bullish community sentiment at over 93%. Social dominance is strong despite price being down. Cardano crushes another nice poll, this time by Cheeky Crypto, with over 1,700 votes, a whopping 11 times more than Avalanche, ICP, and Solana combined. Good to see the strength of the Cardano community. And speaking of, over 233,000 posts on X mention Cardano ADA or SNEK this week, according to Radar. And it's just not just my word. We see legends like Murad, who is deep in the meme coin trenches, referencing Cardano ADA as a benchmark for mindshare and social dominance, highlighting the importance of Cardano Army, XRP Army. Ali Martinez, technical analyst, says a daily close above 67 cents could set Cardano on course for a rally towards the 83 cent to 91 cent range. Grayscale ranks Cardano as 6th in their top 10 crypto assets for 1 week returns. SNEK Core Contributor Goofycrisp says an in-app wallet for SnekDotFun with instant trading is something we've never seen on Cardano. A beautiful mix of user experience and new technology made it happen. Some lucky people are already testing it. Public release imminent. We know that SnekDotFun Splash, they contribute to a lot of transactions on Cardano, so this is definitely going to boost throughput on Cardano. Very exciting. Sundae Labs announces Sundae Strategies, providing you the infrastructure, tools, and autonomy to automate your trading edge at scale, coming soon. So they've just teased it. I don't know exactly what this will look like, but very exciting. Cardano Yoda says Starstream will do more than just unlock new opportunities for developers. It brings key features to Cardano, including enhanced privacy, giving users greater control over their data, and increased scalability, allowing ADA to handle more transactions. Cardano ADA's Tokeo wallet co-founder says he just had a banger call with the team at Circle. Don't know exactly what was discussed, nothing more was said, but we do know that Tokeo wallet also down the line is looking to integrate XRP as well. So definitely Tokeo wallet is one to watch in the wallet space on Cardano. Iagon, Cardano's AI-driven shared storage and compute economy, registers Iagon as an official trademark across the European Union. They say our brand is protected as we build the future of decentralized cloud technology and turn innovation into real business. Lovely. Brave, with beta support for Cardano and upcoming midnight integration, now has over 91 million monthly active users, on track for 100 million in the fourth quarter. AI and Crypto Czar David Sacks says next up, Crypto Week in the house on July 14th. That is going to be a very important time, guys. They're going to vote on a variety of stuff. They're going to discuss like the Genius Act, Clarity Bill, bunch of things. And that's going to be July 14th to 18th. Now, he says that the Genius Act, stablecoins, is heading straight to the president's desk. The Clarity Act for market structure is heading to the Senate. Amazing progress in 6 months. More victories to come. Bullish. SNEK GIFs have generated nearly 4 million views in less than a month of being on Giphy. Well, that's good. We know the importance of culture, community, and sharing these hilarious memes, so that's fantastic. I think SNEK will be top 100. I think it's inevitable. Cardano's Lace wallet to host AMA on future updates, events, and Bitcoin support. Coming up on Thursday, July 10th at 10:30 a.m. Eastern. If you guys have any questions or anything, everything's linked below. You can write a question to Lace and maybe they will answer it live on the AMA. Input Output says its Ledger team addressed a serialization bug impacting pre-Conway eras and implemented hard fork triggers. contributing to the continued stability and evolution of the Cardano ledger. Furthermore, ongoing development for Mithril includes preparations for the Cardano node version 10.5 upgrade and enhancements for continuous integration workflows. Mithril enables, of course, efficient interactions for light wallets, layer 2s, and stake pool operators, enhancing scalability because it eliminates the need for full node synchronization. And this is very low key but critical. By having light clients, it's going to allow a lot more use cases. It's going to allow people to participate without having to wait a long time, so it can benefit a big array of products and services. Cardano's new Vola highlights its Q2 growth. So in Q2, Nuvola secured $1 million in early seed funding for Vola, completed audits for its staking, lending, and borrowing smart contracts done by TXPipe, launched testnet with over 300 wallets participating, launched a 2-month IAG rewards boost for all of its NVL stakers. They launched Vola DevNet 0.2, and they also welcomed the first ambassador partnering with Dapp Central. Big shout out to Dapp Central, Fareed. He's an amazing guy. I think that was a fantastic move by Nuvola. Wanchain, based on ADA's Ouroboros, highlights its transaction of the week. Over 271,000 USDC bridged directly from Solana to Cardano. So it's in the direction we prefer. So it further highlights, guys, that we can have big transactions over $250,000 going from Solana to Cardano. So again, cross-chain bridges will allow more checkpoints, allow more users to enter the Cardano ecosystem. More users, more wallets, more transactions. I like that. So pretty quiet day given that it's July 4th. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I just want to finish off with this. We mentioned it yesterday, but again, we have to refresh that the US House designates July 14th to 18th as Crypto Week. So that's going to be a very important week. We're going to watch it closely. Clarity Act, Anti-CBDC Act, Genius Act, lots of goodness. So the price has tumbled down, but I'm not concerned because for me, as long as we hold above the 51-cent local floor, no problem. And if we do revisit it, to me, it's a no-brainer to accumulate more. I'm going to continue to watch the very important metric, which in my opinion is the Russell 2000 index. This needs to reclaim previous highs above 2,300 because it is the signal that retail is risk on. I don't think they're risk on. That's supported with the lower price of Russell 2000 and supported by the lack of participation on socials, in particular low searches on Google, on YouTube of crypto, of Bitcoin, and at the same time Bitcoin dominance is extremely elevated. But lest we forget, we have seen a 20x increase in stablecoin issuance in just 5 years. So the supply is massive. And we have not seen ADA and many other top altcoins perform relative to Satoshis, perform relative to inflation, perform relative to the massive amount of supply that is sidelined, just like retail. So I think we will have pivotal moments, whether it's legislation, a synergy of all of them. And I would like to add, guys, keep in mind, sometimes it's about triangulating everything. We saw that Senator Lummis pushing forward with allowing, less than $300, no tax on those crypto transactions, but in particular, removing all the fear for miners and stakers and not taxing them multiple times, kind of encouraging hodling and only taxing them during sales. At the same time, Bo Hines was hinting at a possible public-private partnership with the US government and Bitcoin miners. Then you also think about energy legislation and then stablecoin legislation. It's evident that the government is setting up a bunch of infrastructure that is just going to send it. Now, when exactly? That's the mother of all questions. We don't know. If I had a crystal ball, I would know. I want to give a shout out to SNekDotFun. I think that they don't get enough credit for coming in with a great version of Pump Fun on the Cardano network. And I'm confident that Splash, SNEK, SNekDotFun are going to continue to innovate and assist with the Cardano ecosystem to increase our metrics. So guys, have a fantastic day. Let me know what you guys are watching. Smash that subscribe, smash that like. I'll see you guys in the next Angry Crypto Show.